Today, I would like to share with you my method of learning English. When I was in high school, I hated English. I found memorizing vocabulary and learning grammar to be tedious and uninteresting. Even though I knew our family would immigrate to the US in the future, I still felt unmotivated. Later, I stumbled upon American TV shows and discovered that watching them was an incredibly effective way to learn English. I would first watch an episode, then compare it to the transcript in both English and Chinese, writing down the sentences from the show and trying to incorporate them into my daily life. For example, if I heard "cut the crap" in the show, I would try to use it as often as possible. If I was successful in using it, it meant I had learned it. After I moved to the United States, I would watch several hours of American TV shows every night, plus the evening news and late-night talk shows. Even though there were many unfamiliar words and slang terms, I would follow along with the subtitles. Over time, my listening skills improved, and I gradually began to understand those words and slang terms. However, I want to emphasize that it's important to frequently look up words you don't understand, otherwise, you won't make progress even if you keep listening. If you enjoyed my videos, I suggest you come back and listen to it again when you have the time, and set a small goal for yourself. Write down 5 words or phrases for every video you watch. When memorizing these words, it's important to do it in the context of the story so you can learn more effectively. Listening to TV shows, movies, news, and talk shows for an extended period of time will gradually develop a language sense, just like children growing up in the United States don't need to study grammar specifically in order to naturally speak English. As for learning vocabulary, if you find it difficult to remember, it may be because you're not familiar enough with it or not using it enough in your daily life. So, I suggest you listen to English programs more often and create an environment where you can use the words you've learned more frequently. For example, you can imitate your favorite characters from TV shows and try to say their lines smoothly like they do. This is an effective and fun way to learn English. I hope these suggestions can be helpful for your English learning.